Hello, I'm Harriet and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Lately, I've been getting requests to make a video to demonstrate how to manually adjust the timer and temperature setting of your air fryer. So I'll quickly run you through a tutorial on how to do that. Let's go. Let's turn the air fryer on so I can show you how to manually adjust it. These are the settings that comes with the air fryer: chips, meat, warm, not pizza, and timing. This is the temperature icon and this is the timer icon. This is the on and off button, the power button. So for you to manually adjust it, you have to pick a setting first. Mind you, if you are working with a recipe with an item that does not have a setting here, you can use anything closest to it. For example, you want to grill fish, you can use the meat setting to grill your fish. So let's start. Just click on any one of your choice. Let's click on pizza, then click on the temperature. Can you see the highest temperature is 210 degrees? You can keep adjusting it. Okay, you can keep adjusting it in as much as your recipe is within 210 degrees Celsius. You are fine. I don't know for your own air fryer if it goes beyond 210 degrees, but mine ends at 210 degrees. So let's go for the time. I just click on here and you can adjust. If you look closely, this place says timing. So for the timer, you can adjust it here. Can you see? It goes up to a minute 30, 2 minutes, 2:30, 3 minutes, 3:30, 4, and so on. Let's see how high it can. Okay, 24 minutes was the highest. It's as simple as this and you are good to go. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share with others so they can learn, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Bye.